Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to today's recipe. It's a street style egg fried rice. Now before I move on to the recipe, if you're new to my channel, welcome. And if you haven't subscribed till now, please don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon so that you don't miss out on the recipes posted. Now let's begin. For making the egg fried rice, you'll need 4 eggs. And to these eggs, you'll need to add half a teaspoon of salt. Whisk it with a whisker, or you can even use a fork. Whisk it. And now you'll need to keep a kadai or a wok or any pan, and you'll need to pour in 5 tablespoons of oil. That's got a cup of oil. Add in 1 tablespoon of crushed garlic. Saute it. And to this you'll need to add the beaten eggs. And this you'll need to scramble it. Keep the flame on medium. Don't keep it on high so that it doesn't get burnt. Keep stirring. And you'll need to get a nice dry scramble, something like this. And to this you'll need to add the vegetables. First you'll need to add the green chilies. That's 3 chopped green chilies, half a cup of chopped onions, half a cup of beans, that's French beans, and 1 cup of chopped carrots. You have cut the vegetables into cubes. You can cut it into juliennes as well. And now you'll need to saute it on a high flame so that the vegetables retains its crispness. Now to this you'll need to add salt. That's 1.5 teaspoon of salt. You can add in 1/4 teaspoon of ajinomoto as well. That's for adding in extra flavor, but here I haven't added any. That's just optional. Now you need to add the cabbage, and you'll need to mix it well. And to this you'll need to add rice. That's the basmati rice, which is boiled and drained and cooled before adding it to this. And make sure to put salt when you're boiling the rice so that you don't have to add it here. If you add it here, it won't get mixed well. So make sure you add salt. And to this you'll need to add red chili powder. That's 2 teaspoons of red chili powder. And add in 3 tablespoons of soya sauce, 1 teaspoon of pepper. And you need to add the capsicum. You have added 1 cup of capsicum. Add in some oil. That's 3 tablespoons of oil. And you need to mix it all well. And once you've mixed it, you need to add the chopped spring onions and mix it well and serve it right away. And now you can enjoy a street style egg fried rice. The best part is you won't need any additional gravy for this. It's very tasty without any gravy. Do try it out, and please don't forget to post your feedbacks in the comment section below. If you're new to my channel and if you haven't subscribed till now, please don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Until I come back with a new recipe, take good care of yourself. Bye bye.